Okay, so now here we have a robot, and what we are going to do is that we have created some operation in Process Simulate, and we will generate a robot code for this robotic task, and then we will test this code if it works or not in a robot controller, in a real robot controller. So how we will do it is that I have this UR5e installed in my computer. So UR5e is the actual robot controller for Universal Robot, and you can download it from Universal Robot website. And then you also need a VMware workstation to run the software because it is a Linux-based program. So to run the program, you need on Windows you need a VMware workstation. So we will test it. How to do it is that you have here process simulate. First thing is that you must have some operation. So here we can see that it has an operation created, set current operation, and we can see so a very simple operation, just one task, one pick and place task, and then it the robot keeps the tool back. And then first thing is to go to a robot and controller settings. In the last class, I had told you that it is very important to define the robot controller for this for any robotic arm that you are using. So if you go to controller settings, and by default it is default. So and if you create a robot program with default controller, it will most probably not work in your real robot. So basically, you will go to this default, and here you can select from these given uh, uh, controllers. There is this universal UR script. So select this one. By default, there is version 3.1, which is a very old version. Now I guess it is 11 version already available for UR controller, but still we select whatever is available for now. So 3.1, and then you go to yes, robot program viewer. And here you can see the program that is already created over here. If you don't see it, um, so there are several warnings, and you can always um, load the program in this program viewer, and you can then see the complete script for this task that is created so far. And if I transfer the file, this file to the robot, I will right click it and then download to robot. And once you click download to robot, then you specify some folder where you want to save it, and just save the file. It will be a script file. So save it into your computer. And once you have saved it, you cannot transfer the file by copying and pasting it uh, into your URSIM. So basically, you need to have a USB stick, and in the USB stick, you will copy and paste the files into your USB stick. Then open it into this URSIM in this Linux operating system. And here you have, for now, I have this program already created. Maybe I can delete what I have for now. So basically, once you start UR controller, the settings will be something like this. So when you will open it, it will appear something like this. So you turn the robot on. It is just like the real robot. If you are working with a real robot, it will be exactly the same. So you click on start, it turns on. Then I want to create a program, and here I have the create a script file, and the script file okay, I need to turn it on. And then you can compare the motions if they are identical to what you have created in Process Simulate. And if they are not identical, then you need to either make some edits in your simulation, or you need to edit the script code so that your simulation and the real operation of the robot are identical to each other. Similarly, if you have created a program here the same way as you have done in when you did the certification of UR robots, you can create a program here, and then you can transfer the file to Process Simulate. So it works both ways. Either you transfer the file from simulation to the robot, or from robot to the simulation, and they both should work. And we can go back to There is some time lapse, but it is due to the computer that I am using for now, and a lot of programs are running at the moment, and this is why it is not the real speed of the robot at which this graphic is appearing. So I think it has been working the same way as the simulation. There is some difference in the configuration, but I don't think it is a problem. Okay, so this is something that you must try. Also, you can try to create a program here by using all these commands, and you have already seen this in your certification training. And then try to save the program and then open it in Process Simulate. And similarly, you can generate a transfer a program over here and then run it in the simulation and see how it behaves. Okay, thank you.